Many North Texas businesses and employees, for that matter, may be wondering how they are impacted by what is now basically competing federal and state COVID-19 vaccine mandates. Depending on the size of the business, President Biden's executive order nationwide requires millions of workers to get a shot, while now Governor Abbott's bans that altogether. Jack Fink talking today with a local business and constitutional law expert to try and clear up some of the confusion.
At Southwest Office Systems in Fort Worth, there is no company requirement their 42 employees get vaccinated against COVID-19.
I think that's their choice.
Because of that, Vince Puente's company isn't impacted by Governor Abbott's executive order banning vaccine mandates in any entity. Puente's firm also isn't impacted by President Biden's executive order requiring as many as 100 million workers get vaccinated. Even so, Puente says he doesn't like government mandates as a rule.
I can't just pick the ones that work for me and the ones that work against me. I've got to stick with my principles and say, how does that affect my principles?
Under the president's executive order last month, employees at health facilities receiving Medicare or Medicaid money, federal employees and federal contractors must be vaccinated. Based on OSHA regulations, the president also proposed that companies with more than 100 employees be either vaccinated or tested each week for the virus.
If there is that conflict, then the president's order would prevail if the president's order is valid.
SMU constitutional law professor Dale Carpenter says the federal government may face legal challenges, but that the federal government is on solid legal ground requiring vaccines for its workers and contractors. And regarding private companies with more than 100 employees, he says Congress has given OSHA broad powers.
The president would argue as part of mandates or vaccine mandates or testing requirements are part of making employees safe.
Governor Abbott has asked state lawmakers to turn his executive order into state law. One bill has already been filed in the state Senate, and there will be a hearing on it this Thursday. Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.